Hey guys, it's me, and I am going to be playing the Escape Pizzeria obby or something. Is this the exit? Okay, that's the exit. Okay, so this is actually pretty long, so just gonna. Okay, so let's just begin on the obby. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause it because it's like really long and stuff, and I don't want to keep you waiting all this time just watching me do the obby. I didn't touch anything. It made me die. I didn't touch anything. Seriously. It's gonna be a long day. Anyway, I was able to record today, cause all of us got to skip. Why is it always the head that's showing off? Oh my god. Anyway, we were able to skip school today cause it's, it is Monday, which is the worst day to have a school day, but it's President's Day, so we were able to skip. Ooh, I'm not gonna tell. How does she even know this already? I played this already in a different account, but she's dumb. She just guessed, I bet. Okay, I'm just gonna beat this guy. Okay, there we go. We beat that guy. What? How did I? Are we not supposed to touch the black part or something? That sucks. Okay, so okay. Okay. Crap. Why is this even called the Escape Pizza Place obby? It doesn't even look like a pizza place. Like, yeah, finished. Now I'm gonna leave. Okay, guys, I'm playing a game called The Normal Elevator. It's actually pretty fun. It has you wait, and then it'll go to a next place or whatever. So you'll just have to go right here, and then and then the game starts as soon as I get this guy in the elevator. Okay, I got Corona 97 here. So this is kind of like, I don't know what part of the place we're on, but I've played this on my other account before. I played it like a lot. Uh, so each one is 10. That's a lot. What is he doing? Anyway, got this guy. He says he's Harlem's cousin, but I don't really know for sure, but isn't anyone gonna help me? I'm dying out here. I'm dying. I'm gonna, oh, damn it. This one is actually a really hard level. You just, oh, I'm so itchy. Anyway, so, we just have to, can we leave without that? Oh man, we got her in. Okay. Why is she just staring? Okay, I don't know what's going on right here. Oh, I know this one. That's Bloody Mary. She comes out of the TV, so it just goes dark for a little bit, and then she's like screaming like ah, but like, see, that's supposed to be Bloody Mary, but that looks nothing like Bloody Mary because she's naked. Okay, what's next? I wish you could just push these buttons and go wherever you want to go, because I wanted to do the chicken contest thing where you had to eat a lot of chickens and you win a chicken hat or whatever. I like that one. That was my favorite one on the normal elevator. Oh, this one is where you turn into a poop. I don't want to do this, but I just want to demonstrate for you guys, okay? I really don't want to do this. Because you have to turn into a poop and you get bald, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. You go out his butt. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. I don't want to be a poo. I don't want to stay a poo. No one likes staying a poo. Sorry, I'm still recovering from a cold. So that's kind of why I just throw out pizzas and hamburgers for the noob to eat. But yeah, I don't really like that one. There's also this one where this noob just shows up and vomits on you, so that's why sometimes I stay away from the door. I don't want that stupid noob to vomit on me. Oh, that guy turned into a poo. What is she? I'm not going to be poop. Ugh. Oh, I want to see Slender. I hope I see Slender so I can get that white face thing, whatever that thing. Okay, so we just have to go over here, I think. First we have to go over here. And then we have to look out here. We're supposed to... Oh, there's Slender. And then there he is again. And then we're supposed to, like, come back into the elevator. Oh, I hope I see Slender. I want to see Slender. Me, Slender. Me. Damn it! Who saw Slender? Who got that white face? Her. She didn't. She wasn't even close to the door. Why did the? She looks like a cat girl, like a cat lady, a person who likes cats. Who cares anyway? That face is ugly. I just wanted to see Slender, and at least I got to see Slender. Okay, so, but I do like winning the prizes, like the chicken hat. I don't want to fall. I don't want to fall. I don't want to fall. I don't like this one. Well, at least I'm with Corona 97. Just me and Corona, and Big Head, and Pooh, and Noodle Hair. Oh yeah, I'm a Noodle Hair. I forgot that. Anyway, why is she? What's wrong with her legs? What's wrong with her legs? Why are they so lumped? And okay, I'm not gonna even ask about her legs. Let's go. Hurry up. Will the timer hurry up? Hurry up. I'm so bored. Hurry up. I can't wait anymore. Wait, where's Corona? Where's Corona? Where did he go? Why is he gone? Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I just don't want to do this anymore because my friend Corona is now gone. See you in my next video.